You know what you're looking for. Show you what it is. Can I be for you? So let's take a part of me. So right, so right. Want to, but I want you. She's want to, but I want you. Long, baby. Long, I don't care. Do what I see, baby. Yeah. I take first because you listen. Good morning, everybody. You Paga. You Paga twayo. You Paga twayo. Your name. Good morning. Why you gotta be anonymous? I gotta know your name. Why you gotta be anonymous? Hello, Nkanyiso. How are you? Hey, Bruce. I wanna know your name. Kabengani. Ngiyabonga. Anonymous. This weather makes it hard for me to wake up. My birthday is next week, Saturday. My birthday is on the 18th of July. Me and Mama D the King got the same birthday. Clocky! Hi, Mama D. Do you have any plans for your birthday? Let me be. Tobela Tiamukai. I wanna know your name. Why you gotta be anonymous? Definitely July, baby. Yeah, Mama D. Do you have any plans? I don't have plans for my birthday. Do you have plans? Why you gotta be anonymous? I wanna know. I gotta know your name. Why you gotta be anonymous? What's your name? Anonymous. Anonymous. Oh, cancel it. Wanna hold my hand? Come get with me. Everything on me. Tell me what's gonna be. I gotta know. Angie, thanks so much for the follow. Tiamo, thank you for the likes. Baby Shoes, are you okay? Good morning, Kahiso. I wanna know. I gotta know your name. Blessed you with the follow. Thank you. Tiamo with the likes. Can we tap to 10k likes if we can? Your name. Why you gotta be anonymous? Why you gotta be anonymous? I gotta know your name. Will I be anonymous? But your name anonymous. Good morning, my super fan. But your name anonymous. Thank you, Queen. Bless to you, so adorable. Thank you, Bless. Yabonga. Morning, how are you doing, my queen? You good? Are you alright? Gani, thank you so much. Guys, let's tap the screen. Siamo ati tap the screen, guys. Tap the screen, guys. Let's tap together. Ooh. Yeah. I'm okay, my queen. I'm alright, can't complain. Lutando, thank you so much for the follow. Good morning, Gachiso, you good? Chat 10k likes, we are on 1.1 now. Still low with the follow, let's go. Thank you. That is so time to play. So my lady say, hey, daddy. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. Ada
Where are
ni
you
kan
from?
ni ka wen ne.
DJ Ben.
Ada ni ka ne ni ka wen ne မလေး นี่ก็แบบมูดอกมากมากโอ้เสียแบบที่
Thank you,
กินเรื่องของเรา
Kafiso.
เจ้าที่ไหน
Just tired. Jeez.
อยู่สู้เลย
Okay, so how many hours do you guys sleep for though? Out of curiosity. How many hours do you sleep for? That is so hard for me. You know your dad is so this time of day. 6 max. Okay. 6 hours. Max. And you wake up and you're going to work now. And you wake up at 5. So that means you sleep around 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. You work 9 hours now. Damn, okay. Oh, come on. Do you get extra time? Is there extra chin-chin? From 8 to 5. Okay. It's just the standard job. 9 hours. No extra chin-chin. Hi, Bo. It's time to play. Thank you so much, Kafi. So, guys, we need one more rose. Thank you, Tulane. Hey, daddy. Hey, daddy, know what you like, yeah. Or you'll go bath at 6. But then you usually, then that means you wake up at 5:30, not 5. Baby. Elsa, thanks so much for the likes. Guys, we are almost there. We are almost on 3,000 likes now. Trying to get back to her love. Just believe she got a good that she might hold back. Ask her what they know us. They know that's mine. Kafai, Fridays I work from home. Net, I want to go to the office. Ha! So you just choose to go to the office while you can work from home. Kagiso. Now I would grab that opportunity to work from home anytime. Anytime. What to do? I'd grab that opportunity anytime. Busy with big automation project, require gang data and gag. Also, you have to go to the office to get the data. She's gonna stay in the fast lane. The Apex, thank you so much for the had me. Best believe. Plus my nephews are around, so the nice. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. But baby, everybody know that you're mine. But baby, everybody know that you're mine. Slow down, slow down. Bust it, baby. Cuddly, you know it. You know this jam? I'm a better man. She's got me feeling in the fast lane. Tryna get back to her love. Best believe she got a good thing. She my little rude thing. Ask around but no one. You know that's mine. Baby, everybody know that you're mine. Thank you so much, Kagiso, Tule, Mabenzo, Makado, Windila, Debuo, Chopper, Elsa, Cuddly, Tiamo. Thank you, Chad. I will never guess. I will never guess. Lol, I'm a 90s baby. That pals plays a new. Yeah. I guess it's a 90s thing. Kagiso won't relate. Kagiso won't relate. Like, best believe she got a good thing. She my little good thing. Ask around but no one. But you know that's mine. Baby, everybody know that you're mine. Hello, hi baby Zane. You good? Hey, guys, you won't be late. Are you guys good? Vodak Black, welcome in. Kira, you are watching a movie that is black and white. This one you know it, right? This one, I can make your bed, bruh. I'm addicted to it. I'm attracted, not addicted. Ish. Do you know the song? And then I don't know the lyrics. But I'm actually. Good morning, Hadi. They love metal. Welcome in. Chad, let's go. First give times 2. Good morning, BK. You good? My way. It's gonna get open the whole morning. I'm gonna take you back the whole morning. When it comes to taking you back, if you're in a time travel, chill in this life. Ooh, baby. Like, no, baby. On you, baby. You're gonna time travel. You're gonna go back. Thank you, BK. How are you doing, Hadi? I can make you better, girl. I can make you better. I can make you better. I guess it's my turn. Kagiso, baby Zane, thank you. Hadi.